It may sound like a tall tale, but it is possible to gauge someone's height just by listening to their voice. Listeners can accurately determine the height of speakers without even seeing them. Not all tall people have loud, booming voices, though. The difference is in a particular sound called the subglottal resonance. Taller people generally have bigger lungs and airways. This extra space gives their voices a deeper sound. A study by Washington University has found that the subglottal resonance helps build a mental picture of someone. The American researchers recorded pairs of people of different heights as they read identical sentences. Then the recordings were played back to listeners. The researchers asked the listeners to guess which person from each pair was the tallest. In a second experiment, listeners were asked to rank 5 people from tallest to shortest just by hearing their voices. None of the listeners had any visual clues. However, they were able to correctly guess which person was the tallest 2/3 of the time. Stature is not the only thing people think about when they hear a person's voice. Other studies have shown that we associate deep voices with leadership potential. Perhaps this is why Margaret Thatcher had vocal training. She wanted to sound more statesmanlike. It might also be why Labour leader Ed Miliband refused to have his adenoids removed. If they had been removed, his voice might not have been as deep anymore.